welcome to another tutorial. If today is the very first time you're seeing, my name is Okeoghene and you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe or turn on your notification bell. If you love sewing, anything sewing related, you love DIY lifestyle and fashion, you are a beginner, intermediate and advanced in sewing, yeah, this is the right channel for you. I'll be teaching you everything and anything that you need to know. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. If you want me to teach you on something that you would like to know, you can also comment below and I'll do a topic on that, like a video on that. Thank you very much for watching. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut a bustier. So if you have issue in cutting a bustier, the easiest, the simplest way of cutting a bustier. So let's go over to the tutorial now. Bustier measurement, you will need your shoulder to nipple, your nipple to nipple, your shoulder to underbust, the length. So for you that you're a beginner, you don't know what your nipple to nipple is. It's the distance between one nipple to the other nipple, right? There's a measurement. So you put your tape on one of your nipple and take it to the other, and that's the measurement. The easiest way is your bust divided by 4 minus 1.5. So if your bust is 40, you divide 40 by 4. The sum you will get, as in the answer you will get, the figure you get, you divide it, you minus 1.5 for it. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. 10 minus 1.5 is 8.5. So that's your nipple to nipple measurement. So now let's get to business. This is like a rough paper. You can always use a brown paper or a white paper, any pattern drafting paper that you need. Yeah. So let's take the first measurement. The first measurement we are going to take is shoulder to nipple. So at this base here, at this top here, we'll put our tape at -5. As we'll put our tape at 5, yes. So this is it, 5. Then we'll take shoulder to nipple. Then the shoulder to nipple measurement here is 11. So we'll take shoulder to nipple and we'll mark 11 here. And you roll out. Next measurement you take is your shoulder to your underbust. So the shoulder to underbust measurement here is 15. You roll out. So the blouse measurement is 26. So this is 5. So measure 26. Yes. So at this nipple shoulder to nipple line, you take half of your nipple to nipple. Half of your the nipple to nipple here is 9. Half of it is 4.5. So then you take the measurement here. Then you mark, right? And then we need the measurement for the upper bust and the under bust. Now for the upper bust, the measurement is half of your nipple to nipple minus 1. So if half of your nipple to nipple is 4.5, 4.5 minus 1 is 3.5. So you take the measurement at this upper side, this up side. Then that's which is 3.5, and then your under bust is your upper bust minus half an inch. Why? Because at your under bust that is directly under your bust, it needs to snatch. You need to snatch that point. So we'll take 3 here. We'll take 3 here. And then we'll connect. But first of all, let me draw the line with a marker so you can see the line. Like I said, you will take your shoulder to your nipple, shoulder to underbust, and the shoulder to the length of the blouse. And each of the measurements you have to measure, you have to minus 5 from it. So my shoulder, I'm supposed to, by right, I'm supposed to do from this point to 11, which will be here. But since I'm taking -5, right, then I'll place it here. So now we want to connect this. So we're going to connect this like so. So this is how we're going to connect it. But for this nipple to nipple, you have to add half an inch, right, for seam allowance. You have to add half an inch for seam allowance. Then for this down, the blouse part, you took 3.5 at the upper bust. So now we're going to take, instead of the 3.5 that we're going to take 4.5 at the down part, the blouse part, which is like the nipple to nipple. So this is it. So we'll connect again from here. And then we'll rule a line to this point. Like so. So now shoulder, this is shoulder to nipple measurement. Then at this line we have nipple to nipple plus half an inch allowance. And this is the under bust, for upper bust length. I don't know if you can see this properly. So now we want to cut. So this pattern, you can use it to cut the princess darts. Yes, you can use it to cut the princess darts with neck darts, the full bodies. You can also use this to cut it. But we're going to use it to cut an off-shoulder blouse. So we're going to use it to cut an off-shoulder blouse. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this is beneficial to you, do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you very much.